Welcome back, everybody. Today we are back at the junkyard, and today I'm going to show you some good parts you can get off of junk cars for your own car. Today we are here at Pick and Pull, and the nice thing about this place is they have pretty much everything. GM, Ford, Chrysler products, and imports. Toyota, Honda, Mercedes, BMW, Kia, Hyundai, etc., etc., etc. The other nice thing is this place has everything from common cars you see every day, like this 2005 Scion XB, to older cars you don't see much of anymore, like this 1982 GMC Caballero or Chevy El Camino. So let's go ahead and pick a car. We'll go ahead and start with this 99 Honda Accord. Basically, it's 20 years old, it's sitting in the junkyard, and it's probably never going to see the road again. But you can still pull parts off of it for your car. Say for instance you have a Honda Accord and you went grocery shopping. Someone backs out of their parking space right into your car, cracks the taillight. Well, instead of paying tons of money to get a new taillight through Honda, you can come to the junkyard, pull the taillight out of this car, put it onto your car. Now here's another scenario. Say you come out to your car in the morning to go to work and someone's broken into your car. Well, instead of paying extra to have a brand new window installed, you can come to the junkyard, pull a window out of this car, put it onto your car. Say for instance you have an older car with torn or broken seats. Well, this 92 Toyota Camry has perfectly good seats. All you have to do is take them out, clean them up, and put them in your car. If your car needs any mechanical work and you have to stick to a budget, the junkyard is a good place to go for that too. Here's a 2000 Honda Accord with the engine still pretty much fully intact. Air intake housing, valve cover, engine oil cap, coil pack or wires depending on how old your car is. Brand new radiator in this car. Only thing is I would definitely get a brand new radiator cap before I took this radiator out. I would just feel better with a brand new cap. Cooling fans, if the fans went out in your car, definitely an important thing to have. Coolant overflow tank. Alternator. All kinds of good stuff you can get at a discount at the junkyard. If your car lost a hubcap and you really don't want to deal with aftermarket knockoffs, or you don't want to use those ugly Walmart hubcaps, I'm sorry, I'm really not a fan of most of them. You can come to the junkyard, get a stock hubcap pretty cheaply, and put it on your car. Also, the junkyard isn't just a good place to go if you plan on fixing your car. If you plan on making any modifications, the junkyard can be a good place too. Back to the 99 Honda Accord. Say you have one, but you have the model that has steelies and hubcaps. Well, you can come to the junkyard, find one that has alloys, paint them, clean them up, make them look nice, throw them on your car. With these wheels, I would definitely clean them and paint them, maybe paint them a nice black. Then, just find a center cap that says Honda on it, throw it on, get some tires, you'd be pretty much golden. When I put the fog lights on the car along with the intermittent windshield wiper switch, you think I paid extra for both stocks from Toyota? No way. I got them both from the junkyard. If you need, say, a bumper, the junkyard is a good place to go. You can get one already painted to match your car, assuming it works out that way, of course. And as long as it's in good condition, of course. This one is, all right. Not shiny and new, but not the worst I've ever seen. Fenders, if your car's been in an accident and you can find one that's the same color as your car. Mirrors. The local junkyard can really just be a gold mine of good stuff. If you'd like to see a video of parts that I wouldn't get from the junkyard, let me know. Right now, however, I'm gonna go get some water. And I'm not gonna lie to you guys, this hurts my heart. 1985 Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme. These are nice cars when they are running and in decent condition. Such a shame someone let it get to this point. If you buy an older car and you don't have the time or the money or the know-how for it, that's cool, but sell it to someone who does. Some cars do not belong in the junkyard, and this is one of them. And don't forget, new videos every Sunday. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. Also, make sure you hit that bell so you never miss a video, and I will see you guys next week.